Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angeline K, and if you're new here, you are highly welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and you're not gonna regret it. So as you can tell from the title, today I'm going to be unboxing on home goods, and I haven't opened the boxes at all, so you and I are gonna get to see this together. And I am super excited about this. I hope you're excited as well, so let's get unboxing. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna take this out of the way so I can have the space to unbox. This is so huge, guys, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but this is the first box. My goodness, how am I gonna do this? Should I change the camera angle or something? Okay, hold on. This is super huge, so no, hold on. Okay, so this is the first box, and I'm gonna try to open it. First, I need to put this in a way that it's not gonna get damaged, because what's in here is really fragile, so I have to take my time and do things with caution. So this is well packaged, and there is a second box inside. So this is what is inside, guys. So if you've watched my fall home decor tour, you will realize that I did mention in that video that our ceiling lights are yet to be fixed. So we went for this one right here. It is so elegant and classy. At first I was going to go for a chandelier. My husband is not really a glitter or shiny bling bling kind of person, so he said no, we shouldn't put any chandelier. And I was like, okay, if you're gonna get anything, it has to be classy, elegant and stylish, and this describes everything. So we went for this one right here. Just gonna go ahead and open it completely so you all can see. Oh my goodness, this is so gorgeous, guys. It has got this bronze gold color that is so elegant, guys. I hope the camera is really picking this up, because this is classy. Oh my goodness. Gently pull it off. Guys, this is what it looks like. Let me come a bit closer. It is so gorgeous. I love the design of it. I love the color. I just love everything about the ceiling lights. So this is how the light looks like. And with this switch right here, you can make it brighter or dimmer. Okay guys, so now we are moving to the second box. Oh, okay, this second box is these others. So So in this box we've got bathroom accessories. So these ones right here are towel bars to hang the towels in the bathroom, and this is what they look like. So this is what is inside. Towel bar, manual. It also came with this cute manual right here, and it also came with a small tube, and in here is the towel bar itself. So it is in this shape and in silver. Wow, this is solid quality, guys. And we've got 1, 2, 3 of them, and this is how the towel holder is hanging right here. This is the guest bathroom, and the similar settings is also upstairs. No, we've got 1, 2. These are supposed to be toilet paper holders. So let's see what's the toilet rolls. It also came with a manual, coupon / thank you card, and also this adhesive. And of course here is the, so this is what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful and great quality as well. For this ones we got 2 of them because we've got 2 bathrooms, the guest bathroom and the other bathroom. So we got 1 and 2, and this is the brand Vangel. I hope I pronounced that properly. So this is how the toilet roll holder is looking like. You can have your phone on top of the surface while you are having your good time right here. It says on the box clearly superior, obviously Vangel. Beautiful. So, and still in the second box, here we've got hand towel or washcloth holders, and from the same brand. This is a towel hook, and in there it's got a thank you card and a coupon code as well, the manual, and it also came with the adhesive, and of course the towel hook. And this is what it looks like. Let me come closer. This is what the towel hook looks like. So aesthetic, beautiful, and it's a great quality as well. So this was really a great buy from this company. Their products are super quality. I'm going to leave all the details and the company name, where we got them from, in the description box down below. In here we have hooks. This is how it's hanging right there. So we are done with this box. Now we're gonna go to the third box. Okay guys, so if you're enjoying this video so far, please give this video a like. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel. It's not gonna cost you a dime, and I promise you, you're going to enjoy joining this family. Thank you so much, and let's grow this channel, guys. So okay, enough of that. Let's move on to the third box. Okay, now to the third box. This is a key holder or key hanger. So this is gonna be hanging somewhere on the wall to hang our keys, car keys, the door keys, store key, the garage keys. All keys are gonna be hanging there. That's how it's gonna look like once you have it hung on the wall, and it also provides such things as well in case you wanna buy things like that. So this is beautiful. So in here are the screws. Wow, solid wood, eco-friendly, super solid, and it is really weighty. You can tell this is a great quality. This is what it looks like. So it's gonna be like that on the wall, and the keys are gonna be hanging right here. Isn't this beautiful? And here is a key holder. So now onto the last box. So this is what this one looks like. It's a metal one, super heavy, and this is gonna go on the wall. You can use this to place things, some kind of deco or anything. I don't know exactly where this is gonna go, but yeah. Alright guys, so that's it for this home unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If that's the case, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like guys, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos, motivational videos, and of course stay blessed. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.